Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. I'm back at Aldi, and I have a smaller grocery haul today because, again, I'm trying to use up things in my freezer, my pantry, my fridge. I feel like I've been saying that for weeks, and somehow it's not happening. Probably because of days like yesterday and my snack haul where I went grocery shopping, not on my normal grocery shopping day. But anyways, I'm going to get into the store, and I'm going to share with you my week of meals at the end, so stay tuned for that. Let's go. Right off the bat, I see these beautiful bar cabinets. They're $99. I have nowhere to put it, but I do think it's beautiful. One important thing, it comes in 2 boxes, so don't leave half of it behind if you buy one. This is new at our Aldi. You can't buy them at self-checkouts, but gift cards, really nice, kind of round out your shopping. Pistachio meat with shelled pistachios, $4.09. My son likes to have a bit of these in his lunch. My daughter wants orange Cheez-Its in her lunch, $3.49. Although I think I'll get her extra toasty. No, she didn't ask for extra toasty. I'll get these just in case, just to err on the side of safety. $3.49. We still have lots of hot dogs from a Costco sale. I buy the Hebrew National there, so we're gonna have hot dogs this week with some fries that are in the freezer. $1.29 for bones. Red grapes are $2.55 a pound. They seem really nice and firm, so I'll get these. I have missed the kiwi the past few weeks, $4.29. My kids love these. I'm gonna get 2 packs of romaine lettuce because my daughter wants salad for her lunches this week, and we're also gonna have some salads with dinner. So I need 2 packs at $2.49 a piece. Mini cucumbers have been a real hit, so I'm buying 2 bags this week. They're $1.89 a pound, and I just have this inkling that I'll buy 2 bags this week, and we'll not even get through a bag. But if I buy 1 bag, we go through them quickly. My older daughter's been taking hummus and cucumbers in her lunch, so I'm gonna get another 2 pounds. I still have some that can probably get me through the week, but I don't want to run out. I like to peel and chop these versus baby carrots. These are so much better. I've never seen this. I wish my whole family would eat meat lasagna. It looks so good. $13.97, something new. Elsie, my middle daughter, requested pumpkin pancakes, and for the praline sauce, I need half and half, so $2.55. Another thing that I love to eat, cottage cheese, high protein, very yummy, $2.39. We're having nachos this week, and I want mini avocados for it. Those are so nice and soft, but probably won't be good later this week. I'll get these ones. They're $2.39. Yummy. Grape tomatoes. These will be great for the salads for my daughter. $1.99. Okay, for salads, we need the pepperoncinis. Both my daughters love these on their salads, $2.19. And Kalamata olives, $2.09, but she's switching to ranch this week, which we have on hand. Okay, I'm getting more of the biltong because I've really enjoyed opening my eating window with this. $3.89 a piece, but they're very good, high protein snack. I'm getting 2 of the smoked. I like to have lime juice on hand, however I ran out of it and I didn't have any more when I was making salsa last week, so I need more. $2.19 each. Lots of fun items. Heated mattress pad, that sounds amazing. I'm cold, I'm always cold in winter. Roasters, casserole dishes, bamboo cutting board. The oval roaster, that seems like a really good value, $17. It's on sale. They still have the beer and wine advent calendar. Now I think these are fun, but I still have wine from my advent calendar 2 years ago. I don't think I need another one. Porch signs are on sale. They have the holiday pine cones, very pretty. They're only $3.69. I actually think these are really pretty, the wine glasses. Really pretty. I actually love the stemmed ones even more. I just need more dishes like a hole in my head. I do not need them. $7.99. Napkin rings, pretty, chargers, food storage, table runners. I really like these. Maybe when my kids are older, I'll have table runners out. If you're hosting Thanksgiving, some cute dishes you could toss. I've heard really good things about these Sherpa Pros, only $12.99. I am actually gonna get 2 more of these because of how much I liked them. Oops. I want 1 straight and 1 of this kind, $1.49. But I use spatulas, and sometimes it seems like I just don't have enough. Lots of new toys are here this week. Harry Potter, Polar Express, quilt making kit, LOL dolls, Bluey toys, Hug Me's, a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And right in the middle of the toys, if the sound gets too loud, don't forget to check your blood pressure. Different cards are here too. Oh, I like this. Oh, my daughter has a birthday party this weekend. I'm gonna get this for her to give to her friend who does love to bake. So 99 cents. Thanks, Aldi. Lots of Christmas decor. I think that's cute. $2.99 only. Food market. Really cute stuff. I got these in my midweek haul last week. They're really good. We still have a lot of them, but they definitely have like a citrus rind taste to them. We didn't mind it, but very interesting. I still really like them, and they're kind of chewy. Okay, I'm running really low on parchment paper, and my Aldi doesn't always sell it. It's a holiday thing. I'm getting 2 of them so I don't run out because we bake a lot in the Christmas season. $2.59. I'm actually gonna get 5 cans of pumpkin. I need it for my pumpkin pancakes, but then we do give a couple scoops to my dog on top of her food every day. Running low, it's $1.19. I've been wanting to get one of these soups, and this one looks really good. I've had the lentil of this German type before. It's $2.89 for the soup. I'm gonna have this later this week. These were a big hit. I had to get more. $5.29. My daughter's just taking it with her veggies and hummus every day for lunch. Okay, so yesterday the turkey at Target was 99 cents a pound, but it's $1.27 here. But I can tell you every single other thing here is probably cheaper than what Target's was. But they have lots of different items. Even the turkey breast. They have never any turkeys. They have a fully cooked turkey that you just need to reheat. So many options. Okay, sweet potato casserole still here. We have lots of them. Ham. No, I do not have to host a Thanksgiving. I just go to my mother-in-law's and she takes care of the heavy lifting. But we are a turkey family, not a ham family. Let me know which one you are. They have bistro chilies and soups. I've never bought those. Different greens, pizzas, some seafood, shrimp, stuffed breadsticks, still the lobster mac and cheese. I don't see a ton of new things. The chicken Euro kits look new, and maybe that spinach and artichoke dip. Now the Euro kits are $12.49. And the dip is $4.99. That actually seems like it'd be a really good side. Pretty easy if you have a heavy load. Pumpkin pies. I paid $5.99 at Target yesterday. It's $4.99 here. The gelato flights, I have bought these before, and honestly I wasn't that impressed with them. I'd probably never buy them again. But it, you know, they were edible. My husband ate most of them. We have the I don't even know what those are called. Little puff pastries dipped in chocolate. The giant tubs of whipped topping. Rolls over here. These are $4. They look pretty good. And I've heard really good things about these biscuits. $3.29. I always make my own biscuits, but I've heard those are really good. $2.49. Hummus for our vegetables for my daughter's lunch. Okay, we ran out of the flavored sparkling water. $3.45. We don't buy poinsettias. My cats, I'm sure, would eat them. They are nosy, eaty cats, but $3.89, and they look very pretty. Seems like a great value. They have these cute little pet mats, kind of Christmassy, and Sherpas, $9.99. I still love this Christmassy one. My husband's request for the week, no surprise, ice cream, $6.49. These are so cute. They're just like ones I've seen at Trader Joe's. I would have loved to put these on my daughter's dirt cake I made for her birthday in October. They're $4.49. Adorable. Not much new here, just all the Christmas stuff is still here and beautiful. Okay, nothing again says holidays like rolls. So they have the brown and serve that are $1.25, and they also have these potato dinner rolls in $2.89. It's not in the bread section, it's in like the Aldi Finds food aisle. So if you're looking for them and you can't find them, maybe that's where they are at your Aldi too. I'm tempted to get these to go with our hot dogs, but I know my vegetarian would not be happy with me. But the garlic mashed potatoes, I'm still kind of tempted to get these when we have the hot dogs, but again, we're having fries with that too, so I guess they don't need double spud. These are really pretty. They're already wrapped. What a great idea for coworker gifts. $7.99 Belgian chocolates. They're wrapped very pretty. Okay, here's my cart. Any guess on the total? Small haul this week. Okay, my total is $92.79. Okay, meal plan for this week. Next Sunday, we're gonna have pumpkin pancakes. I'm gonna make homemade hash browns. This was Elsie's request. Today, on Monday, we're having leftover pasta. I have Alfredo, breadsticks, 3 different types of pasta. That was from last night. We're gonna have hot dogs, French fries, just a bag of fries I found in the fridge left over from summertime. And I'm gonna make homemade applesauce. We're gonna have nachos on Wednesday. I use frozen taco meat for that. Thursday, it's going to be either leftovers or fend for yourself, something from the pantry. We have conferences that night. It's a quick evening, so I'm not sure. Everyone will probably come up with something different. Some panko tenders, mac and cheese, green beans, and some mashed potatoes from the Target Thanksgiving haul. Even though I bought a Thanksgiving dinner, I don't necessarily make one. I am making some components to go to my mother-in-law's, so I don't actually have to make a Thanksgiving dinner, and we'll eat parts of it Friday. And Saturday, we'll get carry-out pizza and salads. So this is the meal plan for the week. I mentioned using freezer taco meat for our nachos. And if you want to see how I buy, prep, and prepare that, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.